In this presentation, we're going to be talking about LibreOffice, the free and open source productivity suite alternative. What is LibreOffice? Originally created by Star Division under the name OpenOffice until Sun Microeconomics bought them and changed the name to LibreOffice. Like Office 365, LibreOffice has a text editor, spreadsheet maker, and presentation creator, completely free and open source, with a very dedicated and passionate team of developers. Availability and utility. LibreOffice can be downloaded on Windows 10 64-bit and 32-bit, Mac OS, and even Linux 64-bit and 32-bit systems. Files can be imported and worked on from other Office suites like Office 365 and G Suite. Thus, it does not matter where the file was created, as LibreOffice can work with any format. LibreOffice also supports SSH, Secure Shell, which means that it can upload files to places like Google Drive without issues and make file sharing a breeze. Shared multi-user collaboration on projects is also supported. Functionality. LibreOffice has a familiar and easy-to-use UI user interface. Nothing is made more complicated than it needs to be. Often users are overwhelmed by the sheer amount of options available to them on other product suites. LibreOffice makes it simple and easy. More file types are supported by LibreOffice, including ODF, open document format, files that other suites often don't fully support. Open source. Because LibreOffice is open source, it can support the things other suites can't. Extensions. Ever wanted to turn your Word editor into platform to code on? While with extensions, you can and even have it highlighted various elements. You can even download an extension to source data to a spreadsheet from a website automatically. The sky is the limit. Security. Because anyone can look at LibreOffice's code, it also means that anyone can write, correct, and submit solutions to bugs they encounter. This means that LibreOffice is much quicker to find and fix any problems that pop up. It is fast and efficient. LibreOffice takes up very little space compared to other suites. In fact, LibreOffice as a whole can even end up taking up less space than an individual piece of software like Microsoft Word. Only needs a maximum of 256 megabits of RAM, 512 megabits recommended, to operate, whereas suites like Office 365 can require an upwards of 2 gigabytes of RAM. Additionally, LibreOffice is also known to run much better on old hardware compared to other suites and generally has better compatibility between different devices. Drawbacks. Many people do not use LibreOffice and do not know it even exists. Some fonts and features like the ribbon in Office 365 are not present in LibreOffice. However, many missing features may be added using extensions made by the community. It does not provide technical support. Thus, you must rely on tutorials and community solutions to problems that you may encounter. Can run into compatibility problems when trying to edit files from Microsoft Word. Why should you use LibreOffice? It's free. Productivity software suites like 365 can cost a person over $100 a year just to use, when compared to LibreOffice that can do nearly, if not everything, a user would ever need. The choice becomes obvious. It's much more cost efficient and packs a serious punch to boot. No matter what operating system you use, you can download LibreOffice. Plus, its dedicated community and development team will keep the software alive for many more years to come. You really have nothing to lose and a lot to gain, so why not just try it out? Its small file size and system requirements ensure that no matter what your situation, you'll be able to use it and use it well. The installation guide. Number 1, go to this URL. Number 2, select your operating system. Number 3, wait for the installation file to finish downloading. Number 4, open File Installer and follow its instructions. Number 5, move the LibreOffice file icon to a convenient location, such as your desktop or documents. Number 6, open LibreOffice and enjoy your new productivity suite and all its features. How to use LibreOffice. Once downloaded, LibreOffice is easy to get started with. Just click on its icon. It looks like this. Then you'll be greeted with this interface, where you can simply drag and drop already created file to work on, or create the brand new one right from the options on the left side. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, download LibreOffice. It's worth it.